legacies nti omuntu okola otya legacy oyina byoteekawo bye tukujjukirirako. Pallaso ng'omuvubuka omugezi we yalabye ng'akikubye atandise okusaba obukadde 2 ne tumuwa okikoze otya ogenda kukibeeramu wekka yasazeewo yegatteko omuntu era yafunyeyo kaana kawala ke bayita Carolina. Erinnya ddungi oba
Caroline, amanya Caroline Mugamanyi.
Nagamba Carolina, welcome to our family, Team Good Music. Era nga tukusuubira mu birungi byerere naffe ne tubasanyukirako. Ne tugamba era naffe omuwala tumusuubira mu birungi ate gwe omuntu oyegasse ku Pallaso omuyimbi atunda aliko nga hot cake. We expect the best out of you baby girl. So katsowe tulabe ku ngeri gy'asayinizeemu mwana muwala na biki byatambudde bitya.
Okay.
Go baby, you're the only one. Mommy's the lover man. Take it, go baby, you're the only one. Nakupa moyo wangu na roho yangu. Nakupa vyangu vyote, vyangu ni vyako. Nakupa moyo wangu na roho yangu. Weka stabanga
Okay, there you go.
Carolina, tukwagaliza birungi byerere baby girl.
You know they say there is no candle that has ever lost its light by lighting another candle.
I know.
Teri candle yaliezikidderwa kube ekoleze kande endala.
Wabula ne kalaiti keyongera.
Exactly.
Ngawadde ku musubba
So one thing why Diamond Platinum is authoritative music wa East Africa. Actually, ye mubedde mubayimbi ababedde mu East Africa, if not Africa.
Atenga n'abaana bakutteko bajjasayina mutima mulungi nabo bakwatayo.
Exactly. Ekintu ekyo ekyokuddiza. Yo ayimba n'akola penetration n'ayingizaawo amaje. So amaje ago ne gamunyweza ne gamu okitegeera. So whenever you bless someone, you're blessed twice. Like the Bible says, blessed is a hand that gives than that receives.
Right.
So bro blessing at often a double blessings. So it's beautiful. Pallaso at the peak of his career, he chooses to bless another career. Maybe not never begin a maso tash in the same spirit. Nga era kama Ivan.
Nerindako, what's the difference? Mbade my Pallaso ali under kama Ivan.
Yes.
So aina branch here ya Team Good Music nenga si kama Ivan.
Si kama Ivan, I think.
He is managed and he is also managing someone.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is what actually we are going to try to dissect. Nemuganda wafe Opa Fambo. Opa Fambo abamumanyi mumujukira. He's one of those dancehall artists I've always believed in Uganda. He's a young generation who dancehall kwe ino okutambulira.
Alenga mukubi.
Exactly. Ekirobozi kye kiri so sweet, kiri so strong. I'm one of those people who felt hurt. We are wawukana ne munne Moshima Voko. Yes.
These days Moshe ita Green Daddy.
Green Daddy, yes. I'm Green Daddy. Baya ukana batandika ba beita ba capital music. Yeah. So, but everyone took a different path in life, and everyone has been surviving independently. So, fortunately, kama Ivan, olunaku lwa leero naye avuddeyo n'alaga ate ku Twitter handle ye. Actually, it was on Instagram. N'alaga nti asayininze Opa Fambo.
That is beautiful.
And I believe he's
one of the best news we had today.
Exactly. Something tells me his shine is going to shine out. Kakati katusoke tuogere ne gundi atunyonyole. Opa Fambo is online. Opa Fambo. Opa Fambo kwoli? Hello?
Hello.
Opa Fambo. Oliota musajja wa Kabaka.
Wani?
Oliota musajja wa Kabaka.
Ndi bulungi.
Jeni mukwano, nawulidde amawulire.
Ssaabasajja ali.
Amina. Nawulidde amawulire Opa agansanyudde. Nti wasayininze under kama Ivan. Kama Ivan yakusayininze.
Omukulu gani? Era abalabi telefine okubate asayini kama management yamanya le Opa ga eyama obuwaji nasayini era kola ayinma
Okay, kama waliwo issue ne signal. Derek, please let's work on that. Tukomeo tukubire Opa Fambo. Damu mukubireko. I don't know, it's breaking. Opa. Opa. Katoka tuchitereze. We are going to talk to Opa Fambo. Signal zibade zibukabuka. Technician wafika soka chitereze muko. We get back to talk to him. Twagala kutegeera yasayininze under kama Ivan. Kama yamusayininze. Pallaso
na signing omwalo mpya Carolina.
Are they undercover Ivan management oba uliali? Our worry is kama isn't he bachita batya feeding more than you can chew. Ochitegera okwewa chosobolo okulya. You have Pallaso, you've signed a young artist, you get to sign a Opa Fambo, anasobolo bawa all the time that is required.
No, because the Nebuza is Team Good Music here, Pallaso. So Pallaso is managing and he's also being managed.
That is what you're gonna get to know because Opa Fambo needs extensive time. Kasoka tufune ndo zemboze ndala.
Yep.